Hey everyone. So you've signed up for Paparazzi and you're wondering what you can do while you're waiting for your kit to come. So there's a lot of things that you can do. I'm going to go over a few, but if you do these things now, this way when you get your kit, you'll be able to just enjoy it and get started and get going, and you don't have to feel overwhelmed right from the beginning because of everything that you still have to do. So the first thing that I recommend you do is to set up an email account, and it should be a separate, obviously, email account for your business. Something that is pretty easy to remember, and I recommend using Gmail. Most people have a Gmail account already, so my Gmail account for my paparazzi business is jewelry, the number 4, $5 at gmail.com. It's easy to remember. It lets everybody know, obviously, that I sell jewelry, and it's good to have a separate email account. So this way, as you have customers that maybe contact you about ordering jewelry, or maybe somebody that wants to join your team, or a new friend that you've made through the company, you can direct them and do all your emails through that email address, and it makes it a lot easier. So that's the first thing. Another important thing would be to order business cards. You want to look professional. You want everybody to know about your business. These business cards will be included with all of your orders. So a professional business card gives a good first impression. So Vistaprint is a great company to order through, but you can really order anywhere. But I do recommend you spending the money to order professional cards and not really doing them yourself at home, because you want to make a good impression. This is your business and you want to get it off to a good start. So like I said, they're very inexpensive. They're always running specials. So you definitely need to invest in a business card, and plus it's a tax write-off too. So number 2 would be to order business cards. So another important thing that you should do is think about when you want to have your launch party. So we recommend you have 2 launch parties, one during the week and one on a weekday, or weekend I should say. Preferably one of them should be a live party or an in-person party. Maybe what you can do is when you get your kit, they have what they call a pop the box party, where you have your friends over and you get your kit, you open it up, people can pick out what they want, and boom. A lot of consultants sell out of their kit by having a pop the box party. So the great thing about that is that, you know, as a new business, people may not know what it is, you know, what the jewelry is like, and you may be the first consultant in your area, so you want everybody to know, you know, how great our jewelry is. So at least with a live party, they can feel the jewelry, they can see it, and the best part of all is that they can take it home with them that day. So I definitely recommend you have scheduled 2 launch parties, and one of them preferably being a live party. So that's very important. Another thing would be displays. You need to decide how you're going to display your jewelry. So that also depends on the type of parties you want to do. So if you're going to be doing parties strictly on like Facebook, it doesn't have to be elaborate. You can lay the jewelry out on the table. You can do if you're doing a home party or an event, these are great. This is actually an oatmeal container that's wrapped in contact paper, and it has this little hook at the top. When you open it up, this little hook, it's called a twirl tie because it's meant to hold men's ties, and it has 20 hooks on it, so you can hang 20 pieces of jewelry from this. So you can hold a lot, and it takes up very little space, so that's good. And another easy thing, if you're doing an in-home party or parties outside of the home,